family, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my daughter to bring you an extra special DIY that's near and dear to our hearts. I've been talking to the kids about the future and some fun things that we should do while we're stuck in the house. Our discussion went all the way to October, where I brought up making strides against breast cancer and how I walk every year. My daughter asked why I walk. So I explained to her that I walk for my aunt and I walk for my coworker who are both survivors. But I wanted to take my discussion even further. So I've partnered with Making Strides Against Breast Cancer in Tampa, and we're bringing you DIYing a pink bra.
Grab your bras and your fun fancy things and let's get glowing.
So I'm just taking some things I've had in the craft closet and some things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding cute, fun little decorations to my bra.
I'm adding some feathers, like purple and pink feathers to mine, while putting silver hearts and pink hearts on top of them.
Cute.
It's an ish heart around a heart.
It's cute.
Yee.
We enjoyed making this video with our partnership for Making Strides. If you want to learn more about the organization and how you can help,
Check the link in the description below.
bye!